Ever wondered what my life is like in Taiwan? Well, the island nation, known for its bustling cities, towering mountains, and rich cultural heritage, offers a unique experience that's unlike any other. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee, the sound of bustling markets, and the sight of majestic temples. This is Taiwan, a place where tradition meets modernity in a fascinating blend that is both exhilarating and serene. My life in Taiwan is a feast for the senses. From the savory aroma of street food wafting through the air in local markets to the vibrant colors of traditional festivals, every day brings a new experience. The local cuisine is a culinary adventure in itself, with many must-try delicacies. And let's not forget about the people. Taiwanese are known for their warmth and hospitality, always ready with a smile and a helpful hand. The sense of community is strong here, making it an ideal place to form lasting friendships and connections. When it comes to housing, Taiwan offers a variety of options to suit different lifestyles and budgets, from modern apartments to bustling city centers to traditional houses in more quiet and rural areas. There's something here for everyone. Navigating through Taiwan's a breeze, thanks to its efficient public transportation system. High-speed trains, buses, and an extensive metro system make getting around both convenient and affordable. For those that prefer a more active mode of transportation, cycling is hugely popular here, with dedicated bike lanes and bike sharing programs available in most cities. But Taiwan isn't just about the hustle and bustle of city life. It's also home to breathtaking natural beauty. The island boasts stunning landscapes, from majestic mountain peaks to tranquil ocean waters. Outdoor enthusiasts will find no shortage of hiking trails, hot springs, and national parks to explore. Taiwan also boasts a lively social scene with plenty of cafes, bars, clubs, and cultural events like festivals, concerts, and art fairs, ensuring there's always something happening. In summary, living here in Taiwan means experiencing a vibrant blend of tradition and modernity, enjoying a rich and varied cuisine, and being part of a warm and welcoming community. Taiwan truly offers an experience like no other, making it an incredible place to live, work, and explore. So if you're looking for an adventure that's out of the ordinary, why not consider visiting Taiwan? It could just be the experience of a lifetime.